a side table makeover! Yay! I'm thrilled to be sharing today's video with you. It's a project that I've been working on for a while now. Not because it was hard, but because I wanted to do my research to make sure that I was doing it right and I knew all that needed to be known before starting. This is my very first time doing kind of anything like this, really. So I was a bit cautious about the results and I wanted to make sure that I knew what I was talking about before making this video, but I had so much fun in the process, so I'm really excited to be sharing this video with you guys today. A little background information. Me and Matthew are still decorating this apartment. We're still working on just finding pieces that we really, really love and that fit into both of our styles. Buying furniture though, it can be kind of expensive and frustrating if you don't find something that you both agree with, especially when you're looking for something that you feel would be good for your space, right, that you're in. That's why I turned to my local Buy Nothing Facebook group. I love it. You can find so much cool stuff on there, so if you're a part of one, you know what I'm talking about. And that's when I saw this really cool side table from the Facebook Buy Nothing group. The only problem was, even though it was beautiful, it didn't quite fit with the color scheme that we both kind of have in mind for our place and our decor, because it didn't really match. But I knew that if I painted it white, it would be perfect. And so after picking up the table from a lovely family, they were so nice, I watched countless YouTube videos on how to paint furniture, and I found that it actually was a bunch of steps that I don't think that I was ready for, and I was kind of intimidated by until I came across all-in-one paint called Beyond Paint, which means it's basically an all-in-one step. So all you need is the paint, 2 coats of paint, and that's it. No priming, no sanding, none of that. All you need is that. And I was like, that is too good to be true. Where do I sign up? I started doing my research on it, and it looks really, really good, and it looked surprisingly easy to do. So I decided that I was gonna give it a shot, and most importantly, I was gonna take you guys right along with me. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 easy steps that I took to give my side table a whole new look. So grab your materials and let's get started.